Okay, I'm ready to do this video. I found my white caulk, but I need to go find the black caulk real quick. You know where the black caulk is? Oh, well, I'm in the wrong house because I couldn't find the black caulk. But I did find my wood glue. So, you know, we've got the white caulk, silicone, acrylic, latex caulk. And this one is the white lightning.
Well, that's fancy.
But what do all these have to do? Well, clearly, no, actually not clearly, ClearLine3D. Guy's name actually is Paul, and he makes some really cool 3D printed stuff. And this week's sort of like focus spotlight guy is going to be this gem. And you're going to be like, what exactly does it do? Sort of looks like some kind of weird instrument. No, it's a place for you to store your caulk tubes, your tubes of caulking. I don't know what you guys were thinking. Get your mind out of the... But he doesn't just do this. I've got it on the wall. We're going to show you, right? But he also has ones for cans. So this is like, well, you can see it, carb cleaner, but also wood glue, right? And then you're like, okay, I still don't get it. Like JakeOfALL never does like really great show-offs. So I have one of these mounting plates, and they go on here. But like, you guys have seen that. So just trust me, right? It's cool. Cool, video's over. Yeah. Or let's just turn the camera and go over here. Okay, so let me
show them my mess.
This is not a mess. So let me go ahead and add the rest of the caulk holders to the wall of caulk tubes, holders.
I love you so much.
So we have Gorilla caulk, orange, right?
All colors of the rainbow.
All colors of the rainbow, right? This little setup is going to allow you to just fill. This is a 2x3 section, so a half width. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 15 tubes of caulk in this small place.
Or caulk size tubes?
Or caulk.
I mean, are other cans of things that size?
Yeah,
like,
so grease tubes, like lithium grease or bearing grease, or any kind of grease that comes in a tube.
Greased lightning.
Right, grease lightning, right? And you can see how these work, and they're very well printed.
They're solid.
They're solid, they engage, right? But also, these can work in your vehicle, and he does other stuff that can work in your vehicle. But I want to show you more, because we want to get these in there, right? Nice and firm. But let's just say, for example, that we wanted a place to put our spray paint, or our wood glue, or our choke and carb cleaner. I love that there's a nice friction fit. And as you can see, they don't interfere with each other. And I feel like as long as you don't put pressure on the straw, it even fits with the straws. So now anything that's really your diameter of your spray paint cans, so like I said, tubes of glue, perfect. In fact, if you keep this closed, you could even do that, and then your tip is preloaded. You know, don't want your tip to dry out.
Jokes for days.
But you know, I reached out to him. He's in the PACKOUT group. He posted some really cool stuff, and I was like, dude, I want to show more people this. And he's like, I have even more. And I'm like, I'm sorry, but wait, there's more? I love that line. What do you mean there's more? Well, this is more. Now, this one is called, it's specifically listed as a 2-slot, meaning it takes 2 here, but a 3-tool M12 vehicle compatible tool holder. Now, I was able to use my Gen 1 Surge. That works in there pretty well. But what he's using is this profile.
Here,
so
let me come off the mount here, and we'll come over that way so we can see more. There. Okay.
So I think if you have a tool that has a big enough head but not too big, it will fit in there well. But we'll go specifically with what he's talking about. So look at how this engages in there very well.
That's really nice.
So as long as you have one of the extended batteries, which honestly, these stand up on their own when you have the extended batteries. So I would be doing that. And in the top, we have a place for bit storage. Now, I was not able to put that in there at first, but I didn't know that I was doing it wrong. And after, boom. And this one he lists as vehicle safe. So it must have, you know, enough of the shock for this thing to not go anywhere. But this just works in your standard wall grid. Let me take one of these out so you guys can see. But he makes all kinds of cool stuff. Okay, all right, so now we're gonna load it in. Make sure we're locked down. Okay, pull the last one out. So if you have this in your car, or he also sells these, which if you're just looking for one spot to mount your drills in your car, and then you want to also be able to use this at home, they're interchangeable. He makes these plates, so you don't have to have a big one, which means anywhere you can mount that, you can mount one of the spray paint / glue holders or one of the caulk holders. So you could have, watch, hear me out, put this in here, and you have 2 caulks to go. 2 tubes
for each
up.
hand?
One for, I mean, why do you don't hold it in a hand, you put it in a caulk gun. Oh, what are we talking about? See again. But yeah, so he makes other stuff, and here is his dual battery.
That's pretty fancy.
Uses the wall grid slots, just like that.
Moving really fast.
Sorry?
And I am not that quick.
But watch.
Oh, she's
Just
fancy.
like Milwaukee, it's well built, it's well printed. He optimizes his angles. It's clearly, or ClearLine, ClearLine3D, clearly lots of effort has been put into this, mimicking the shape. I know, I move around a lot. That's how easy it is. Boom, another big battery can go in there, little battery, whatever you want to call it. You can use it with his wall grid, you can use it with the Milwaukee wall grid. How detailed and nice.
No, it's a
this print
solid
looks.
piece. Like, those are really well made.
Yeah, and I like the way he prints them. There's not a lot of surface imperfections or really any. And it's just good, solid, but wait, there's more. Let's walk back over to the workbench.
What is that?
You ever see these right here? See how you can mount stuff to the side of your drill? Watch this. He makes one, and he has got some magnets in it. You can also use this to magnetize your bit. Put 2 in there. One on the surface, comes with the screw. Again, a great finish. So we've got caulk tube holders, we have spray paint and spray, we have wall grid, we have tool and battery.
He's got
hangers
a
for the
lot
vehicle.
of stuff.
Great little setup. Great guy.
I don't think there's anything little
ClearLine.
about that setup.
He's got a shop, and he gave you guys a discount code. So I will make sure there is a link in the description. I mean, clearly, I like trying to say clear and ClearLine. Clearly, we love the product. The sucky part is that I don't have enough wall grid to fill my wall with enough of these to get all of the tubes of caulk out of my crates and out of my wall cabinets. But I will find a way, because all I got to do is use some of his 3D printed wall setups, and I can just have caulk in random places. I could put caulk in the laundry room.
Wow. What a dream.
You could have caulk anywhere you would like it. There's so many caulk jokes. I'm sorry, you guys. I love you. I am a 12-year-old. Okay. Done making caulk jokes. Great stuff. Check out Clearline3D. So as I was saying, Paul really does make some great stuff. And I love what the 3D printing world has done. Now, I don't have anything new from Milwaukee, but I want to bring an old one back because we sell these left and right, and a lot of you don't know that you can just go to, I think it's like 3dprints.electronsmith.com or on just about any.
I mean, literally, if you Google Electronsmith STL,
yeah,
it's the amount of stuff this dude has is
Oh,
wild.
he's got some
and
crazy
we have a
stuff.
handful of his designs.
Crazy
But this
stuff.
one is one of the most popular. This and misting kits are something I sell weekly.
And his designs, everyone else changes. Like, this isn't even his original design anymore, and I'm going to go back to what this one does. But I've got this vacuum cleaner here. Now, say, for example, you wanted to put this vacuum cleaner, and there's an M12, and then there is an original molded bottom M18 that we don't necessarily have a great picture that shows you the difference. So if anyone has one, and they're in Florida, and they can get a hold of us to get our hands on it, or if you guys want to email us pictures, reach out to us on Instagram. But we need to find a good big picture of the bottom of this, but the original gen. And if you have it, we'll even send you a set of cleats for the bottom. So these cleats, or feet, or whatever you want to call it, are basically this. And if you see how well that centers on there, it turns your M18 original and sort of the second version, and your M12 is what these ones do. It will replace, give you a nice little spot in here that you can put these feet. And if you see how they have weird, right? That's to fit the bottom of the M12. But what happened was 3D Technologies customized these and made this sort of easy to use one. And then these are the originals, right?
Those are the M18 originals.
Okay, so the originals.
I'll even let you open my packaging.
This is the Electron Smith originals, and he also designed this cool latch. We worked with him very closely, but these allow you to place these feet on here. Now, if you actually buy them from us, which you can just download and 3D print, but if you get them off the internet or whatever, you do need to line these things up. We always recommend you just mount it onto a PACKOUT first, put tape on here, a little piece, to get it lined up so that way you can drill your holes. Once you get your holes drilled, you can pull the tape back off. We always recommend, if you are a little overcautious, is add a healthy amount of silicone after you've drilled your holes. Between your surfaces, we do include gaskets, hardware, all that cool stuff. And if you get the that's if you want the Electron Smith. If you get the 3D Technologies version, they're already mostly lined up. You do have to get front and back, and you do have to line your latch up, which this is how the latch looks and works. So you would basically go like that on the edge of your vacuum, and it pulls the whole thing forward. Now this, as I said, is freely available. It's going to be in the description, but it's also on the interwebs. Thingiverse was the main site that he had his stuff on, but he also has his own website, which we will link in the description. But Electron Smith,
so many great prints,
designed these great things. We tested them out with him for a while. And actually, at first we were exclusive, and then he made them available to the public. And you guys can download these with a bill of materials to get your hardware from just about any hardware store. Gaskets are from a toilet seat, you name it. All readily accessible stuff, includes a latch. You can purchase them at the shop.JakeOfALL or 3D Technologies. But that's not what it's about. What it's about is just go over to his Thingiverse, go to the link in the description, hit up his website. You can download, print these, and adapt these to your vacuum cleaner. And now, this guy, which you're just knocking around all willy-nilly loose, is now locked on to any PACKOUT. It'll work on the full width, the half width, the PACKOUT, mounting plates, you name it. Wall mount it, ceiling mount it. Print it out, you're good to go. So, this week's sort of like showcase, Clearline 3D, super cool. That's the biggest logo that I have for that, but that was all the cool caulk tube holders and spray paint and battery and all that good fun stuff. And then for that, you're going to go in the description, you're going to use the affiliate link, which will get you guys some discount. Okay? No harm in that. And then use the other links in the description. Head over to Electron Smith. Find him on all the good fun socials. He's on Instagram. Guy's great. Comes up with awesome stuff. But he's also on the interwebs and all the 3D platforms. Stop by, say hi, say I got a vacuum cleaner. I got a 3D printer for whatever day of the year it was, present-wise. And you printed it off and you loved it and you just wanted to say hi. You make a great product. But if you, again, just like anyone that watches these, don't have a 3D printer, all this stuff is available in the link in the description as well. Typically to buy. Link for his stuff.
all of the stuff. There will be all of the links in the description.
In the description.
The best part is there will also be a link to win some Stack Smarter stuff.
Oh,
yay!
We're gonna do more Stack Smarter.
We're gonna do more Stack Smarter.
Okay.
Here's the thing. Also, if you guys win anything, you will receive an email with tracking, so you'll know if you won because you'll get an email. And sometimes I'm a little behind on shipping things because I am only one human with one set of hands.
And sometimes we also wait till we have more money because we do all of this out of our own.
Yeah, that too.
So thank you. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Paul at ClearLine. I should say that. Thank you, Benjamin, Electron Smith. Awesome stuff. We love you. And thanks you guys for taking a moment and hitting that like button. Thank you. Right. No. Left. Right.
Where is it?
Right there.
Do we know?
Pretty sure it's right there.
Okay.
But then while you're at it, hit the bell, hit the subscribe, tell your friends, because we want a lot of people, everyone, all 500,000 of you PACKOUT people, there's got to be more of you, to get on and tell Electron Smith and to tell Paul at Clearline how cool their stuff is. So get in the comments, let us know how cool it is. Let us know what you think needs to be designed next. And make sure you enter all the giveaway stuff in the description. I've got to go because the power might go out at any moment, because that's what it's been doing all week. So luckily you're watching this video with light.
Have a happy and safe Memorial Day weekend.
Exactly. I'm gonna go try to get eaten by a shark.
There
on
may
Monday.
or may not be a site-wide sale. It'll depend on
If you
how
have time.
motivated I am
Okay.
and if the power stays on.
Yeah. And if you guys need to stay cool, don't forget we have misting kits over at shop.jakeofall.com. They convert most of your Milwaukee, DeWalt, and other brand fans to be able to do misting. So it's hot. It's that time of year. Cool down. Stay cool. We will be at the beach. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Spend some time with family. If you don't have family, find a really good book. Read it. Come back in the description and tell me what you read. I gotta go. So much to do. So much. I still haven't found the black hawking.